Meaning of get up and go.
Get up and go.
Get up and go.
Get up and go.
Get up and go. Get up and go refers to a person's energy, drive, and enthusiasm for taking action and getting things done. It is the motivation and determination required to initiate and complete tasks or achieve goals. A person with get up and go is typically proactive, resourceful, and self-motivated. They have a positive outlook, can-do attitude, and are not easily deterred by setbacks or obstacles. Having get up and go is an essential quality for success in any endeavor as it enables individuals to take initiative, overcome challenges, and achieve their objectives with perseverance and tenacity.